Everyday life is full of little struggles, but what if I told you that Amazon is hiding genius gadgets that solve them in seconds, from mind-blowing kitchen tools to smart home hacks you wish you had sooner? This list of 25 viral gadgets is going to change the way you live, and trust me, the last one is pure magic. Ever wish your messy desk could clean itself? Meet the self-adhesive hidden under desk drawer, your secret stash spot for pens, notes, and little must-haves. Just stick it under your desk, slide it open, and ta-da! Instant magic. It's like giving your desk a secret pocket, neat, sneaky, and super fun to use. Say goodbye to messy drawers with this 7-grid clothes storage box. Designed with neat compartments, it keeps your socks, underwear, and tees perfectly organized and easy to grab. No more rummaging through piles of clothes. Just one glance, and everything's in its place. Foldable, durable, and space-saving, this little organizer makes your wardrobe look like a dream. Meet the stainless steel collapsible cup. Your pocket-sized hydration buddy. Fold it down when you don't need it. Pop it up when you're thirsty. Whether it's camping, traveling, or just showing off at work, this cup is strong, reusable, and super fun to carry. Who knew drinking water could feel like a cool little magic trick? Say goodbye to bag-breaking lifts with this heavy-duty furniture lifter and mover tool. Just slide, lift, and roll. Moving heavy sofas, beds, or cabinets becomes a one-person job. Its strong build and smooth rollers make shifting furniture effortless without scratching your floors. It's like giving yourself superpowers to rearrange your home anytime you want. Say hello to safer drives with this car blind spot mirror. It instantly expands your field of vision, helping you spot vehicles, bikers, or pedestrians hidden in tricky angles. Easy to install and adjustable, it reduces the risk of accidents while parking or changing lanes. A small upgrade that makes a huge difference on the road. Turn any space into a cozy nap zone with this inflatable air mattress. Whether it's unexpected guests, a camping trip, or just a lazy movie night, this mattress inflates in minutes and gives you cloud-like comfort. Lightweight, portable, and super fun to set up. It's like carrying a comfy bed in your bag. Sweet dreams, anywhere, anytime. Slouching again, meet this sitting posture corrector. Your tiny but mighty back buddy. It gently trains your spine to sit tall and straight, saving you from backaches and awkward hunching. Lightweight, comfy, and almost invisible. Goodbye slouch, hello confidence. Tired of messy soap bottles cluttering your sink? This built-in soap dispenser is sleek, handy, and fits right by your kitchen faucet. Just press and wash. No spills, no fuss. A stylish upgrade that keeps your counter neat and your hands squeaky clean. Shoes everywhere. Not anymore. This foldable shoe rack pops open in seconds to neatly line up your kicks, heels, or sneakers. And when you don't need it, fold, tuck, and poof. It's gone. A space-saving trick that keeps your floor drama-free while making your shoes look showroom-ready. Turn up the heat with this electric gas stove burner that blends modern convenience with powerful performance. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast, simmering sauces, or cooking a full meal, this compact yet efficient burner gets the job done. Portable and easy to use, it's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or even outdoor cooking adventures. Say goodbye to spoons with this self-stirring mug that does all the mixing for you. With just a button press, it swirls your coffee, tea, or hot chocolate into a perfectly blended drink. No more sugar clumps or unmixed powder. Just smooth, frothy goodness every time. Perfect for home, office, or travel, it's the mug that stirs up happiness. Transform your messy kitchen into a clean, stylish space with this self-adhesive oil-proof, heat-resistant aluminum foil. Simply peel and stick to cover walls, countertops, or cabinets, and watch it resist oil splatters, stains, and heat with ease. It's waterproof, easy to clean, and instantly gives your kitchen a modern, shiny upgrade. Cooking has never looked this sleek. Blast away dirt and grime in seconds with this electric high-pressure washer, perfect for cars, bikes, patios, or garden furniture. It delivers powerful cleaning without the hard scrubbing. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, making outdoor cleaning faster, easier, and way more satisfying. Say goodbye to pesky lint, pet hair, and dust with this handy lint roller. Designed with strong yet gentle adhesive sheets, it quickly refreshes clothes, upholstery, and even car seats. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect to carry in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups. Whether it's a quick office fix or a travel essential, this little tool keeps you looking fresh and spotless every time. Running out of storage space? These vacuum storage bags with an electric air pump are here to save the day. Just pack, seal, and let the pump shrink your bulky clothes, bedding, or seasonal items into neat, space-saving packages. Perfect for travel, home organization, or moving. They protect your belongings from dust, moisture, and odors. More space, less mess. Organizing has never been this easy. Make life more comfortable and convenient with this bedside commode. Designed with sturdy support and easy-to-clean materials, it's perfect for seniors, patients, or anyone needing extra assistance. Its portable, multifunctional design ensures safety and independence while blending seamlessly into any room. A simple solution that brings dignity and comfort right to your bedside. Say goodbye to sneaky drafts with this under-door draft stopper. It's like a cozy little guard that blocks chilly air, dust, and even noise from slipping inside. Easy to slide under any door. It keeps your room warm in winter and cool in summer, saving energy while keeping you comfy. Scrubbing dishes just got a whole lot smarter with this cleaning brush with soap dispenser. With a simple press, it releases soap directly onto the bristles, making greasy pans and dirty plates disappear in no time. Its ergonomic design keeps your hands clean, while the durable bristles tackle even stubborn messes. Cleaning has never been this quick, easy, and satisfying. Keep your kitchen neat and your grains fresh with this rice dispenser. Designed with a sleek, airtight container, it keeps rice, beans, or grains protected from moisture and pests. With its easy one-press dispensing system, you get the perfect portion every time. No mess, no hassle. Plus, its transparent body lets you check stock at a glance. a must-have for every organized kitchen. Stay hydrated anywhere with this collapsible travel water container. Lightweight yet durable, it folds flat when empty and expands to hold plenty of water when needed. Perfect for camping, hiking, road trips, or emergency use. It's leak-proof, reusable, and super easy to carry. A space-saving solution that makes sure you'll never run out of water on the go. Say hello to the collapsible hanging kitchen trash can. Your cooking buddy that makes cleanup fun. Just hook it onto your cabinet door and swipe veggie peels or crumbs straight in. No bending, no mess. When you're done, fold it flat to save space. It's cute, clever, and oh so practical, making kitchen chores feel less like work and more like magic. Add a fun twist to your meals with this stainless steel Crinkle Wavy chopper, perfect for slicing veggies, fruits, or even potatoes into eye-catching crinkle cuts. It makes snacking and plating more exciting. With its sharp stainless steel blade and comfy grip, chopping is effortless. A simple tool that turns ordinary food into something delightfully fun and appetizing. Turn your messy car into a tidy haven with this car backseat organizer. Equipped with multiple pockets and compartments, it neatly holds bottles, snacks, toys, and gadgets. Easy to install and perfect for road trips or daily commutes. It keeps everything within reach while saving precious space. Drying clothes just got smarter with this telescopic clothes drying rack. Its extendable design lets you adjust the length as needed, making it perfect for small spaces or big laundry days. Strong, durable, and foldable when not in use. It's a space-saving solution that keeps your clothes fresh, dry, and neatly organized. Beat the heat with these car window sunshades, designed to block harmful UV rays and reduce glare. They keep your car cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. Easy to install and fold away when not in use. They protect your passengers and upholstery while making every drive more enjoyable. Cook smarter and healthier with this stainless steel oil separator ladle. Designed with a clever spout, it separates excess oil or fat from soups, curries, and gravies, giving you lighter and cleaner meals. Made from durable stainless steel, it's heat-resistant, easy to clean, and a must-have for every health-conscious kitchen. Stay ready for unexpected showers with these portable raincoat balls, compact and lightweight. Each ball holds a foldable raincoat that easily clips onto your bag, belt, or keychain. Perfect for travel, hiking, or daily commutes. They keep you dry without taking up space. A fun, practical, and life-saving little gadget for rainy days. Keep your hands clean and protected with these disposable hand gloves for the kitchen. Perfect for cooking, cleaning, or handling raw ingredients. They create a hygienic barrier while giving you full flexibility. Lightweight yet durable, these gloves are resistant to tears and keep odors, stains, and mess at bay. A simple must-have for every kitchen to make daily chores easier and safer. Make bathroom hygiene effortless with this silicone toilet seat lifter. Simply stick it onto your toilet seat, and you'll never have to touch it directly again. Its sturdy, flexible design makes lifting and lowering the seat super easy and germ-free. A small, smart solution that adds big comfort and cleanliness to your daily routine. Tackle hidden dirt like a pro with this 2-in-1 groove cleaning brush. Designed with stiff bristles on one side and a narrow scraper on the other, it easily reaches window tracks, sliding doors, keyboards, and other tricky corners. Compact yet powerful, it removes dust, grime, and buildup without hassle. Perfect for keeping your home spotless. This clever little brush makes cleaning faster, easier, and way more satisfying. Crazy how simple gadgets can make life so much smarter, right? But guess what? The next video is even more mind-blowing with gadgets you never knew existed. So hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and don't miss it. Drop a comment on which gadget you grabbed first. I'll be checking and replying. Until then, stay smart, stay creative.